Hey, what's up guys, it's me your boy Oraban Cast aka back here with another brand new video, and in this video we'll be unboxing my new mic setup that I bought for all the voiceover videos and for the Formula 1 content that I'll be making in the future. So I decided to go with the Maono's PM422 USB condenser microphone set. So to pair with that I decided to go with the Maono's MH501 studio headphones so that I could listen to how the audio sounds as I'm recording. So without any further ado, now let's get with the unboxing. So I bought both these products from Amazon. So the microphone itself cost me about 5,399, whereas the headphones cost me 2,294 rupees. So together both these cost me around 7,693 rupees, which I think, though is quite a chunk of change, I think this was a very much needed upgrade for the channel for the type of content that I'll be making moving forward. And considering all the other microphones and headphones that's out there, I think this is quite a value for money option. And without any further ado, let's get into the video and unbox the package. So opening the package, we are greeted with the Maono's user manual, which we'll be reading later, and we have the windscreen and the wind muff. So taking this foam piece off reveals us the microphone itself, which has a nice weight to it, and it's made out of metal, so it should last me a long time. So the microphone itself has an inbuilt mute button, so if I'm having a cough or something, I can just mute the audio real time rather than having to cut that out post recording during the editing process, which is nice. And we have the audio gain here, and we have the audio input 3.5mm audio jack here, which I can connect the headphones here so that I can listen to the real-time audio as I'm recording. Let's put it back in the cover. Here we have the power cable for the mic. It's a USB powered mic so that I can just directly connect it to my laptop and record the audio on my laptop. It's a much simple way of recording in terms of interface, and I feel like at this point and time for my channel, I think this is a much better way to get myself started rather than to get a separate audio interface with an XLR port. I think this is nice and simple. At the same time, it will get the job done for the time, and eventually as the time goes, we will be upgrading to for a much better audio setup. So this is the shock mount for the mic, and the mic stand arm, which is all built out of a real good material. And also the packaging of the microphone itself is really good, and there is no sign of compromise or cost cutting anywhere here. All the foam is nice and thick, where I feel like even during the transit of the product, if the parcel service had dropped the package, it wouldn't have necessarily damaged the product, as all the foam and packaging is done in a way that it can handle all those shocks and impacts. So now, keeping the headphones aside, now let's move on to unboxing the headphones. So inside the box we have another user manual for the headphones, and a greeting card, which is nice. Wow. I'm wondering if this would really work with the headphones that I have messed up. Let's see. I don't think this will work with this. Yeah, it's too small. Yeah, it is too small. I did mess up. I guess there has to be an adapter for this so that I can make it work, which I have to look into right now. But for the meantime, I guess I can just use my headphones for the mic to listen to the real-time audio.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's a screw type. Okay, my bad. So it does work. Perfect. I got myself a bit worried. So talking about the headphones itself, all the cable, the cushioning for the ear, the headphones, everything feels nice and tactile. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. It feels exactly like I'm getting what I paid for, which is exactly what I look into anything that I buy, which is a great news. And it has a nice Maono logo just stamped right up there, which is neat. I love the red accents here, which adds to the style of the headphones. So I'll cut the video here, I'll install the mic, and I'll get back to you guys just in a second. So guys, right now I'm recording audio from the new mic setup, and as you can see, this is where I've set the mic gain at. It's pretty high, but if I put it low, this is how the audio sounds, and this is it being completely dead. And I have to say it's a very worthy investment, and this is probably first of a lot more to come. And I hope you guys are just as excited as I am about everything that's coming for the channel in the future. And this is exactly what I was looking for. The clarity in audio is amazing, and there's a lot more that I can do with this. And in the future, if I really have to upgrade from this, the only possible upgrade that I can see is a dynamic mic, which will cut out all the background noise that you guys are hearing and just focus on my vocals. So from next season onwards, I'm really planning on focusing on everything that's happening in Formula 1, and videos will be coming out pretty frequent on Formula 1 content. So look forward to that. And as far as to the mic, I'm genuinely very happy with the purchase. The Maono has really delivered, and I'm very pleased and satisfied with this product. From everything, the mic arm to the shock mount to the mic itself, everything is just perfect. And this is a very simple and a neat setup that I'm running right now. Because it's a USB powered mic, I don't really have to have a very clumsy workspace at the moment. It's just the mic stand, and type C to USB hub adapter, and basically that's it. The mic, the headphones are connected to the mic, so I'm actually listening to everything that's being recorded right now. So in case if the audio is bad, I know. And at the moment, I'm really pleased with the setup, and I think it was 8,000 words spent, I would say. And if you're a budding YouTuber and if you're planning on making content, I think the Maono's PM422 USB microphone is a great way to start getting into the audio quality if you're really planning on enhancing the audio quality of your videos and the content. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you found it to be informative, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to the Audiobuncast YouTube channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the AC squad. And also hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. It's me, your boy Audiobuncast, aka Vinesh, and I'm out. Love you guys. Stay safe. Peace.